Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 30th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the dollar yen, I mean, it definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. Looks like the wave 5 potentially is over. If it is the end of a wave 5, then it will take out the low of wave 4. If it's not the end of a wave 5, which if you look at all other yen pairs, most other yen pairs look like this move down is actually a correction. So we do have to keep in mind that this move down could be an ABC correction to this last wave up, and it potentially could just keep on going up eventually later on. But even if it is a correction, it probably would take at least 8 months or more to play out. Going down to the weekly time frame, this is still all one downtrend, still all what I think is a wave A or wave 1. Like I always say, it definitely does not matter whether you know whether it's an A or 1 because the trading strategy is exactly the same for a wave A as it is for a wave 1, which is looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Moving down to the daily time frame, all one big downtrend. Now, if we do break structure to the upside, that pretty much proves to me that this downtrend is over. I think there's a wave 1 and a wave 2 up here someplace. This is likely a 3, this is a 4, and this is probably a wave 5. Most wave 5s do take out the low of wave 3, so I'm definitely still looking for shorts, expecting that it could go down a little bit more. But oftentimes you do get what they call a truncheon wave 5, is pretty much just a higher high wave 5 in a downtrend, a or a lower high in an uptrend. It definitely does happen. So basically, what that means is if it does go up, if it does break structure, then yeah, I definitely will become a buyer, and that probably will prove to me that the wave A or wave 1 is complete. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I still got my Fibonacci retracement on this last move down. The yen pairs have actually been very slow lately, but I'm definitely still looking for shorts until this breaks structure to the upside. I'm looking for 1, 2, 3 waves up to a Fibonacci level. I'm looking for impulsive engulfing down to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. Definitely watch out for these lows right here because if it is a wave 5, it'll probably break the low and then reverse pretty fast. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, like I said, I'm definitely looking for shorts. This to me looks like an uptrend over here, probably likely a wave A. I think there probably is a wave B in here someplace, maybe ending right here, because it's impulsive down, 3 waves up, and then a little bit impulsive down. So likely this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C that's forming now. So if it goes up to one of these Fibonacci levels, makes a big engulfing move down, makes a break of structure, that would definitely be the entry that I would be looking for to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. Like I said, as long as it doesn't break structure to the upside, I am definitely still looking for shorts in a downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.